So now let's see how we can insert Google Slides in our Google Docs document right here. So in order to do that, first of all, I'm going to go to slides.google.com, just like this, slides.google.com, and then I'm going to create a new slide right here. So I'm just going to create, let's say, a wedding right here. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to choose an existing template. And here you go, we have our slide right here. Let's say I want to use this slide and I want to paste it in Google Docs. So I'm just going to select this slide, press Ctrl C, and then go back to Google Docs right here, press Ctrl V, and then it'll give us the option on how we want to paste the slide. So we're going to paste unlinked first. So if I were to paste that out, it is imported out as an image. So I can have the image editing options right here. But if I were to change anything on the slide right here, then it won't be changed over here in Google Docs. But if I were to go over here and copy the slide out again, I'm going to press enter, press Ctrl V. The other option that I have is to link it to presentation. So I can link it, and this one is a link one. And to know that it is a link slide, you know that there's a link slide option. So what you can do now is, even if you close the slide, you can go over here onto the link slide. You can unlink it, which will make it like this, or you can open the source right here and it opens up the specific slide. And if I were to make any changes, in my case, I'm just going to change out, that is remove the pictures right here. I don't need to save it, but if I were to go back, you don't see the change, but the slide has been updated and Google Docs knows it, so it shows this update icon. So you can click on the update icon and you get the updated version of the slide. That is, the same change that has been made here is now here, just like this. So you can keep on making changes and keep on updating right over here in Google Docs. But for this one, that is not possible because this one has been imported as an unlinked slide. But if we were to go over here and click on unlink, then it works similar to the top one right here. And that is how you can insert Google Slides inside of your Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.